Welcome to the Introduction to NEBOSH International General Certificate Exam. Learning Objectives. In this module, we will be covering the following topics: Course Objectives, Qualification Structure, Examination Dates, Results and Grades, Examination Techniques, Dealing with the Examination. This course aims to provide a flexible and practical approach for candidates preparing for the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. Course Objectives. This course is designed to cover the following objectives: justify the need for health and safety improvements, advise on the main duties for health and safety in the workplace, help their organization to manage contractors, work within health and safety management systems, positively influence health and safety culture and behavior, carry out a general risk assessment of their workplace, recognize workplace changes and their impacts and understand how to minimize these impacts, develop basic safe systems of work that include emergency arrangements and know when to use a permit to work system, take part in incident investigations, and help their employer check the effectiveness of the health and safety management systems through monitoring, auditing and review. Qualification Structure. The International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety is divided into 2 units. All units are mandatory. The candidate may choose to take one, or all 2 units simultaneously or at different times. Unit IG1, Management of Health and Safety. Unit IG1 is a taught unit, assessed by 1 open book exam plus interview. Each examination paper covers the whole IG1 unit's syllabus. All questions are compulsory. External examiners appointed by NEBOSH marks candidates' scripts. A sample examination paper is available during your training mock exam. Unit IG2, Risk Assessment. Unit IG2 is a taught unit, assessed by practical assessment. Assessment type, practical assessment. The practical assessment is carried out in the candidate's own workplace. External examiners appointed by NEBOSH marks candidates' scripts. A sample risk assessment paper is available during your training. Examination Dates, Results and Grades. Contact the course provider for the upcoming exam dates. Unit IG1, 45 marks is the minimum passing standard. Unit IG2, the minimum standards required for a Unit IG2 pass can be found on page 8 of the IG2 Guidance for Learning Partners and Learners. A pass must be achieved in both units to achieve the International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. Examination Technique. The examination process may seem complex, but success depends simply on averaging around half marks or more for each question. Marks are awarded for setting down ideas relevant to the requirements of the question and convincing the examiner. If you have the knowledge and understanding derived from the syllabus study, then this should not be a problem. An important examination skill is carefully reading and analyzing the question to fully clear what is required to answer it. The more you can study sample examination questions, the more familiar you will become to shape the answer. A common failing in answering questions is to go into too much detail on specific topics and fail to address the wider issues. If you only deal with half of the relevant issues, you can only achieve half of the marks. Dealing with the examination. Step 1, Registration. Learning partners administer learner registration. It is important that you provide your learning partner with an accurate email address. Step 2, Confirmation of registration. You will receive an email confirming that you have been registered to an open book exam. Step 3, Revise and prepare for your open book exam. A range of resources is provided on the NEBOSH website. Step 4, Explore the NEBOSH online examination platform. 3 days before the open book exam, you will receive a unique username and temporary password to the email address you provided. Log in, create a new password and familiarize yourself with the platform. Step 5, Examination Day. At 9 o'clock British Summer Time, the open book examination question paper will be available in the NEBOSH online examination platform. You have 24 hours to complete and submit your examination. Step 6, Closing Interviews. Your learning partner will arrange a closing interview with you. Step 7, Results. Results will be emailed to you 50 days after the examination date. NEBOSH has commented that candidates will not normally be penalized for any grammar and spelling weakness, so long as answer scripts are clear and can be understood. Marks will be lost only if the examiners have difficulty in reading or understanding your handwriting. Read carefully through the whole paper before starting work. For more information contact me, +1 77 88 000 650.